Have you loaded airtime by mistake or received airtime when what you really wanted was M-Pesa cash? If you are on Safaricom or Airtel, this is a problem that many people face, and most don't even know that there is a fast, legit way to convert airtime to M-Pesa instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to convert airtime to cash straight to your M-Pesa. As for the Airtime Swap app, you need to go to Play Store and then go to search and search for Airtime Swap App. This is the app that you're supposed to download. I'll make sure that I attach the link to the app in the video description below, okay? Open the app. Now this is how my dashboard looks like. And I have two options, Safaricom or Airtel. Now, my Safaricom is what has the excess airtime. I need to come to Safaricom and then I'll enter the airtime, maybe 40. And note that I'll receive 32 shillings. Most of these third-party applications don't give you the full amount, okay? Just they charge you a small interest or even some small fee. I've changed my amount to 50. It seems that 50 shillings You have seen how fast and convenient the Airtime Swap app is, okay? I have received the M-Pesa message instantly. In fact, it didn't take me even 5 seconds. Something that you need to note is that only convert Airtel or even airtime from Airtel and Safaricom, no any other network. Another thing that you should note, they charge 20%. They treat that 20% as the transaction fees, okay? And you receive 80% of the airtime that you send to them. In terms of money, you have seen how fast it is. And if you want the full step-by-step tutorial, including the clear comparison of charges from different third-party operators that convert airtime directly to M-Pesa, I have already done a comprehensive breakdown. You'll find the full video link in the description below. See you on the next one and be productive.